Ay, batay ang gyapon. O sige lang, ikuan ko na lang. This is the Pavia terminal. Going to SM Delgado supermarket. And ano ni sir ang aton nga ngalan sing jeep nga ni?
Ang WBTC.
Hindi, I mean anong panawag sa inyo? Co-op, ano?
Co-op. WBTC co-op.
This is a big co-op jeepney, and this is a new mode of vehicle now here in Iloilo. A little bigger from the old jeepney, and also an air condition, so it's very comfortable here. It's just riding on a taxi. Okay, and we are waiting for more passenger, or probably they have what is this time to leave, because as you see they are now on online. So there's a guy in charge here. They call them dispatcher, and we have here si sir. Okay, so this is how it is here. This is the Pavia terminal, GT Town Center, and across the street is the Robinson Place. Okay. Guys na nag-iilis kwarta na pang 20 kang 50 pareho ng kolor.
Oo. Kada iba-iba kulong.
Oo, isa na lang kuan numero lang ni Luislan. We are crossing now the Diversion road, and this is a little bit I don't know how kilometer is this. This is the Iloilo's version of, I think I say, ITSA, Highway 54 in Manila.
Wala.
See.
Wala.
So Most of the commercial center now is being relocated here. Probably they try to decongest the downtown Iloilo. And we are now entering the Megaworld. This is a modern shopping mall.
Dito ka sa may Iguane, sa cruising. Oo, kaya dito man kami magwan.
This used to be the old airport, Iloilo Airport. And this is the road I took when I was working in Iloilo Medical Center. Right there. Right, that road is going to Western Visayas Medical Center where I used to work before. And this area here is Iloilo Airport. And some developer bought this land and converted this to the modern mega mall. And they call this area, I think, Pistep. Pistep din ang panahon nila. Amo ng Pistep.
Pero ang kabilugan sila,
Megaworld. The whole place is Megaworld. But this area, this is the most popular. They call this Pistep Walk. See that area there, Emperador. Looks like in Rome. Vatican, the architectural design, or probably in Madrid. Yeah, looks like in Plaza Presidential Palace in Madrid.
Sa Megaworld, may ngalan din na.
Yeah, this is the Piste book. Okay. No, this is a modern. And most of the 5-star hotel is here. They cater to the tourist. There you go. Beautiful. Iloilo can compete with the big city in the world now. Yes. Now, this is the Iloilo Convention Center. Beautiful. Building a branch of Central Bank of the Philippines here, probably in the Visayas. That's the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas building. So they're making Iloilo the industrial and commercial hub, financial hub in the Visayas. That is the Iloilo Convention Center. Cellphone manami pagani. This is the transportation hub. If you like to go to airport, Cabatuan, and you don't want to take the taxi, there's a jeepney there. Right there. Right now. Transport hub. So You have to go here and ride co-op jeep like this one. There you go. Yeah, it looks like Madrid. Yeah, Punta del Sol in Madrid. Ah, they copy the design. Now we're going back to the Diversion Road. My heart beats in Iloilo City. All right. Now we're back in the Diversion Road, and this is the boundary of Iloilo City with, I think, Pavia.
Sorry, may panaog. Wala.
And I think this is the India Hotel, owned by India, a native of Iloilo, the newly crowned billionaire. And this is the SMCT Diversion. A big shopping mall here in Iloilo. There you go. That is the, I don't know, another SM building, probably a hotel. Okay, so this is the main entrance of SM Diversion, a super mall. If I'm not mistaken, this is already the Mandurriao district, Plazuela de Iloilo.
Baba na din.
And Mando Bridge, this is the Iloilo River. That's the Iloilo River. Okay.
Bansa na sa bag.
And
Stoplight day wala.
another flyover here on the General Luna Street. Okay, and that is on the left is the University of the Philippines in the Visayas, Iloilo branch. Okay, and we are now in Panty Street, Iloilo District, Iloilo City proper. On my left is the UP Visayas. doctor's hospital. And I think at the back of the Iloilo doctors, and they have a school here for nursing, and I don't know if they have a medical school. Okay. And this is the Delgado, Cross Street, Delgado, Timawa, Infante. Yes. And still on my left is UP Visayas. Is the Iloilo Fish Fort compound, fish fort, right there. We are now in Tansa, Timawa, soon to. Okay, this is Tansa. And that's the street going to Esperanza Road. Right there, going to Esperanza Road. And that is the Bonifacio Street.
Diba?
Bonifacio, Tansa Parish Church, and this is Rizal Elementary School, where I used to study before, from grade 1 to grade 4. And that is my classroom, right there, the first door. Yeah, that is my classroom there, when I was in grade 4. Yeah, Tansa. Now in Ledesma Street, going to downtown Iloilo. Ano na na street na sir?
Yang
Dilion?
Halandunay na diyo.
Halandoni ni.
Oo.
Ini Ledesma.
Oo, Ledesma na rin.
This is Halandoni Street because Dilion is parallel there.
Oo.
Okay, Dilion. And I think this the next street is Fuentes. Yeah, Fuentes. He has the shoes. Exclusive school for girls, Catholic school. That is Fuentes.
Oo. Sunod yung Mabini.
Tignan mo yung itsura, pagaling ko din. Hindi na ko ka. Okay. Mabini Street. Okay. And this is Mabini Supermarket. And that's the statue of Mabini. It used to be on the crossroad of Ledesma and Mabini. And this is the store, and unfortunately the supermarket is under renovation, and most of the vendor they are located here in the street, and hopefully they can finish the construction sooner so that traffic will be normalized again here. And you see how heavy traffic here. So, this cross street, we are turning left, and this cross street is Delgado Street. And this is some of the vendor here. Okay, this is Mabini St.
Meticuloso sa kanilang mga iniinom na ipagmamalaki rin natin na ito ay halal certified. So, ibig sabihin ang mga kapatid natin
And right here now, we're turning left to Delgado Street.
Sa mga pagsusuri ay nakita nila na wala rin ito yung mga mikrobyo na kadalasan ay nakikita sa processed food supplement gaya ng mga bacteria, pathogen, and other contaminants. Nakita kung bakit
And this is Santa Teresita Church. I forgot the name of the street here. But this is Santa Teresita Church. Oh, I forgot. Now I remember. That was Delgado. Oh, no. No, it's not Delgado. Okay. Valeria. We're turning left, Valeria. The cross street. This is Valeria Street. The cross street there is Ledesma Street. So we are now at the corner of Valeria, Ledesma. Yeah, this is Ledesma Street. And we are now at the end of our road. And they have to go back now to Pavia terminal. And this is the Merrimart Center. Or sometimes they call this SM Delgado. Also a commercial center. Right. Okay.